Hey traders, Raul here with the post-market analysis or review. I hope you had a great trading session. So let's have a look what happened today. If you had a look at my pre-market analysis, so I mentioned in the pre-market analysis that we had this resistance and that we might break this resistance and that we could have a good opportunity for long. In the pre-market, it reached exactly to one tick our target, and as I already explained in the pre-market analysis, starting from here we can see that bears are stepping in and that we get some clear bearish frequency lines here. And as soon as we can see and identify these frequency lines, this is a sign that there's really something going on and bears are stepping in here. So what happened here is we got a huge rejection from our upper bearish and at the same time the upper bullish frequency lines. This is usually where you get the strongest reaction, because this is the most extreme outer extension that you can get in the market. So we get a huge rejection here. Usually when we get rejected from the outer frequency lines, I personally don't take any trade at the midband, because usually the reaction from the outer frequency lines is so strong that the trade at the midband will fail, will not reach our target. Here, if you manage to get in here at 24.41, your target will 2 points you will not reach. Probably if you were fast enough you could have a graceful exit or a break even or a smaller loss, but here we have this huge reaction. We break through the mid bullish frequency, through the mid bearish frequency, get this reaction back to this frequency line. This was a good opportunity for a short. Unfortunately, quite difficult. If you took the trade here at the midband, you will probably have stopped out here. If you took it at the frequency line that I drew here, with a stop of 5 ticks, high ticked here again, so this was really a difficult short to take. The best opportunity is really here when price is really retesting this frequency line, coming back to the midband, and then from here this was the best trade for today. If you took it here, you got a wonderful 2 points to the outer band, and you could repeat this several times on the way down. Then we got the situation that I mentioned in the pre-market analysis. We broke through the lower frequency line from the bulls here, which you see this huge reaction here. This is a good sign that bulls are here out of the game. Then, as I mentioned in the pre-markets, we have this correction up, but we will not break again into the bullish channel, into the bullish frequency, which happened here. We have one test, a second, a third test, and then here we were supposed to go down. The market was really supposed to go down here. What happened here is only news. This is a news reaction, but it didn't change anything in the market, because we were supposed to go down, we went down afterwards. We just made an reaction, and this is quite usual when we get these news, that we overrun our lines, our frequency lines. So that's what happened here. We overrun it, reaction back here. So here you could have taken trades. A difficult day for midband trades, really, because midband was really not respected, but a very good day for frequency line trades. So meaning here was one trade, here one short, because here as soon as we get this, we are short. We broke through the lower frequency line and we are short here. Here's a good trade to the edge here, 2 points. Here's another trade. Here's a trade. We will stay out of the news. After the news, huge reaction. Could probably here take a trade, and then we are down. So I took here this trade until I had this frequency line and it didn't reach my targets, so I waited this correction and then I went out. I think I went out here somewhere. And then afterwards we still got my targets filled, so here we reached the lower frequency line, and then usually this is what we can see. We get a huge reaction because here we reached our most extension of the markets and we get this huge reaction back, and I personally don't think that we will break up again here. We will probably consolidate here, and we will see what tomorrow will bring. Okay, so this was a short recap what happened today. My first one, I hope it was quite useful. I'm not used to do it, so I will try to do it more often in the future, and I hope I will improve in doing these recaps online. Thank you for watching. Have a good night, and see you tomorrow. Thanks.